If you want to send videos on Google Drive, there are really two easy ways to do it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step. The first method is the best option for most people because it lets you share a video with a simple link. The second method is better if you want to send a video to specific people by email. So whether you're sharing a file with a friend, a client, a coworker, or your family, this guide will make it super easy. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive and find the video you want to send. Once you see the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From here, click Share. In some versions of Google Drive, you may need to click Share and then click Share again in the next window. That just opens the sharing settings. Now look for the access setting. By default, your video may be restricted so only certain people can view it. To send it more easily, change the access to anyone with the link. This means anyone who gets the link will be able to open the video without you having to add their email manually. After that, set the permission to viewer. This is important because viewer allows people to watch the video without being able to edit it. If you want them to only view the file, viewer is usually the safest choice. Once that's set, click Copy Link. Google Drive will create a shareable link that you can paste into a text message, email, WhatsApp chat, or wherever you want to send it. This is the fastest way to share a video, and it works especially well when you need to send the same file to multiple people. After you send a link, the other person can open it and watch the video right away. Depending on your settings and file type, they may also be able to download it. Now, if you do not want to use a public link, there's another method you can use. This one is for sending the video directly to specific people. To do that, right-click the video again and choose Share. In the sharing box, enter the email addresses of the people you want to send the file to. You can add one person or multiple people at once. Then choose the permission you want to give them. For most cases, viewer is enough, but you can also choose commenter or editor if you want them to leave feedback or make changes, depending on your needs. Once you've entered the email addresses and selected the permission, click Send. Google Drive will notify those people by email, and they'll get direct access to the video based on the permission you selected. This is a great option if you want more control over who can see the file. So, just to quickly recap, if you want the easiest method, right-click the video, click Share, change access to anyone with the link, set it to viewer, copy the link, and send it wherever you want. If you want to share with specific people, use the email sharing option instead. Both methods are simple, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.